Guys, now we're back in part 4. Now here's a quest. I could see it. Rick, I've been looking for you everywhere. The battery in TV remote has run out and I can't find any replacement in the house. Can you find one for me? Well, I don't think we have a battery. Wait, no, we don't. Where the hell? Okay, now let's go to the healing center. Okay, this is the healing center. Heal. Okay. Okay, we're done. So I'll find the portal. Okay, now this is the portal. Let's go. And beat the shit out of those guys. Yeah, losers. Yeah. What the hell is this dimension?
Uh-oh, Morty. You gotta be careful. Gotta watch out for trouble.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's see. Let's get this. No. Okay. What the hell is that guy? He looks like Slenderman who mocks 5. My people nominated me to represent our race in this stupid Morty fad. I can't. Okay, let's just battle. Let's battle.
Not so fast.
Yeah. Oh shoot, he has 3 Mortys, like me. Okay, use cry. Defense fell. He looks like girl Morty, big hair, yeah. But not at all. He has mustache and a beard. Okay, use outburst. Shouldn't he be happy, not sad? Look at his face. Yeah, just look at his face. He should be happy. Yeah. Seriously, I think this Morty must be from 90s or 80s. Yeah, I think from 80s. So they're not just from the dimensions, but from like from that time. Okay, Crimp. Now we need to heal. Oh okay, use it. I thought I forgot. No. Yeah. Okay. Oh, fuck. Okay, attack, use cry. Defense fell. Okay. Shoot, now I don't have that serum. Seriously, stop. Oh, shoot. Use outburst. Yeah. Raspberry. Okay, let's switch. Well, I think he was a paper type. Yeah, he was a paper type. Blind Morty. Okay, you attack with Fixer Upper. Yeah, we need more attacks, so we're going to kill him. Yeah. Okay, use outburst. How the hell do you know where the hell am I? Die! Okay, attack. Slam. Die! Hey! Attack. attacks. Oh shit! I'm dead.
Thing is just really cruel.
3. Wait. Oh yeah, Serum and Rick. We could buy the serum from him. Didn't I think of that in the first place? Okay, let's go to. Okay, level 8. Yeah. Use flail. Oh, flail is actually good attack. Yeah. Okay. Now to buy something from sale. I found a gym. Oh, okay. Let's go. What is that? Oh, Aqua Rick. He looks awesome.
I'm the craziest.
I wonder if he knows the god like oh yeah yeah Poseidon. Yeah, let's switch to Crazy Cat Morty. He's a scissor type. And blue shirt Morty is a paper type. Here. Okay. Attack. Use Puffy Tail. Okay. If we get a badge, that means 2 more to go. Now use Furball. No! No! Seriously? Now I need to switch to Scruffy Morty. Switch.
Come on, Morty. Shut up, Rick.
Yeah, shut up.
Oh, jeez.
You slam. No, our defense fell. Shoot. I mean shit. Attack. Slam. You're dead. Wait, he has 2 Mortys? I thought he will have 3. Yeah, but that's good for me. Because, you know. Come on, you slam. No! Why does that attack miss? Fix her up. Oh, we have flail. What? Oh, no, 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 no. Attack, slam. Are you fucking serious? Switch. Okay, switch to Crazy Cat Morty. Okay.
Shut up, Rick.
You already said that. Use Furball. Yes! It's a critical hit.
Why are we doing this?
Your shit Morty dead. Wait, why don't they make a poop Morty? Yeah, poop Morty or shit Morty. Or like, I don't know. That would be awesome. If they make it. Okay, let's switch. So to normal Morty. I mean Morty.
Going down.
Why didn't they call that Morty? Not Morty. Why don't they call this Morty Earth Morty?
Hey, you might want to go look for some better Mortys, you dumb.
Yeah. Yes! We could catch 1 Morty. Yeah, but first I need to go to the healing center, get those, and we will go back to the portal, and we're going to just catch 1 Morty, and that's it. So see you at the healing center. Okay, now we're back. Now the new quest. My Morty's AP has run out and they can't attack anymore. Healing center Rick is being mean to me. He won't restore them. Can you find an item that will restore my Morty's app? Oh, wait, app? Oh, here. Now what do we get? Oh, that's it? Seriously? Okay, so see you at the next dimension when we catch that other Morty. Okay, now we were in this dimension.
Stuff happening.
Okay. What about that Morty? No. I don't think so. No. I get this. Okay, let's get that mustache Morty. Wait, what? Oh, battery that we need. Okay, where's that mustache Morty? Nope. Where's that mustache Morty? Where is it?
One hell of a map here, isn't it?
Okay. Okay, see you next time when I found Mustache Morty. Wait, I found Double Morty. Wait, I want to see level 8 and has 26 HP, but let's run. I want to see what's Mustache Morty. Yeah. Wait, where was Mustache? Oh, here. There. Let's see. Okay. Come on. It's level 8. No, I want that Double Morty more. Yes, so let's get that Double Morty. I think he's the same thing as... Oh, come over here. Come over here. Come. No. Yes. Okay, now let's battle him and get him. Double Morty.
Rip him limb from limb, Morty.
Wait, Mustache Morty was better. Never mind. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Nope. Where's that? Oh, over there. Let's get him. Gotta kill them all. Okay. Yeah, take out the... Wait, no. Do we have the rock top? Oh yeah, we have Scruffy Morty. Switch. But please don't die.
Do it for me, Morty. Okay.
Yeah, do it. For me, not Rick. For me. You slam. Come on. Okay, attack. I use flail. Please don't do so much damage.
This seems really cruel.
Yeah, it does seem really cruel. Let's use an item. Okay, we have only one chance. Please. I really want that Mustache Morty. Come on. Yes! Got the Mustache Morty. So I have to wrap up the video and see you next time.